Hello everyone, my name is Mina Mohsen from Forex for Beginners course by instructor Saad Ali. Actually, this course is my fifth in this journey of trading. I'm learning trading from approximately 1 month, and this course especially is one of the best. It's awesome. The instructor method to to to, to give you the information you need to be a successful trader. All the material you can reach, the trading plan you will master to be a successful trader is there. If you are interested in trading, if you want to make money or break free from your job, you can trust this instructor, you can trust this course to learn you all the tools you need to be a successful trader. I'm making this video to recommend this course. It's all free. You will not pay a penny for all the valuable information about technical analysis, charts, trend lines, candlesticks. All the tools you need is there. All you need to practice. Also, there is a group on Facebook. It's student group, and it's the best in interactive environment I've ever seen. The instructor is very responsive and supportive. If you have any question, anytime, you will get the answer. You will get a precise answer for your own questions. You will learn fast in this course. I recommend it so much. Thank you.